Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Supreme Learning Academy. This is Current Electricity Chapter 1 Kcet Crash Course. This is part 2. Part 1 is already uploaded. If you're not checked it, go check the channel, get the videos. This is part 2. The topic is current density. From current density we are going to discuss in this video. So first we'll discuss the topic, then later we'll cover for all the questions in Kcet exam, how they'll ask on the basis of this topic. Let's get started. Before we start, if you are new to my channel, go subscribe the channel and share to friends, and don't forget to hit the like button. Let's get started. Current density. The amount of current passing perpendicular to a area of cross section of a conductor is called the current density. Its unit is ampere per meter square. Quantity is vector. Then dimension is this. On the basis of the current density, this is the question they'll ask in the Kcet exam. This is the solution. Here I'm not going to explain video and solution everything. The video will become more longer, so I'm just giving you the solution. So if you see this thing, you will get to know how it's solved. Next question on the basis of current density with solution. Take down the next question. Next come to the topic, drift velocity. So drift velocity of free electrons, it is an average velocity with which the free electrons get drifted towards the positive end of the conductor under the influence of external applied field. This is called drift velocity. So when conductor is connected to a battery, so V is equal to U plus AT. So this is the formula for drift velocity. On the basis of this topic, let's see the questions in Kcet exam. So relaxation time. So the average time of collision for all the electrons is called relaxation time. So this is a formula for relaxation time. Next is mobility of electron. Drift velocity attained per unit electric field is called mobility. This is the formula for mobility of electron. So first I am giving the topic. On the basis of this topic, the question. So this is the question on the basis of drift velocity with solution. Next question. The relation between drift velocity of free electrons and electric current is, this is the relation. For a given electric current, the drift velocity of a conduction. Next question for drift velocity of a conduction with answer. Next question. Next one. So these are the questions with answers. Now come to next topic, electric resistance. So the resistance of a conductor is the property of a conductor by which it opposes the flow of the electric current through it. The ratio of potential difference to the current is called electric resistance. Formula is R is equal to V by unit is ohm, dimensional formula. Electric resistance. The resistance of a conductor depends on length of the conductor, area of cross section, nature of the material, and temperature of the conductor. So all is directly proportionally except area. Now let's see the question on the basis of this resistance. So here is the question. Answer is A. Let's come to second question. Wire bound resistors are made by winding the wire of an alloy of, answer is manganese, constant and nichrome. Next question, in the wire of a resistance 3 ohm is stretched to it twice its original length. The resistance of the new wire will be, so R is equal to N square by R. N is given to square into 3. So 4, 2 2s are 4 into 3, 12. Answer is 12, D. Next question. On the basis of electrical conductivity, which of the following material has the smallest resistivity? Answer is silver. Next question. A certain wire A has a resistance 81 ohm. The resistance of another wire B of the same material and equal length, but the diameter thrice the diameter of A wire will be. So answer is 9 ohm. So how 9 ohm? Here is the given solution. Just check it out and take down the notes. So next come to the topic Ohm's law. The statement of Ohm's law with formula. So in case 1, VI characteristics are ohmic resistance. Formula is this. Case 2, question on the basis of Ohm's law. Which of the following the one that correctly represents the IV characteristics of ohmic device? Answer is B. Next question with solution. Next question. So here I'm not going to explain these things because video will become more long. I'm just giving you the questions with answer and solutions. Just take it down the notes. Next question. Next question. Next one, Ohm's law limitations. Important points to be remembered to solve the next questions. Next question. Next question. Next question with answer. Next topic, effect of temperature on resistance and resistivity. This is the important resistance of a material. On the basis of this topic, let's see the questions. So this is the question with answer. Answer is B for this. Next question. Answer is A. Next question with solution. Answer is D. Next question on the basis of resistivity. Answer is D with solution. Next topic, combination of resistors, parallel resistor and series resistor, formulas. Question. Answer is D, 6:4:3. How 6:4:3? Here is the solution. Next question, equivalent resistance between A and B for the mesh shown in the figure is. Answer is 16. So this is part 2. So next part 3, same chapter, chapter 1, part 3. Stay tuned, coming in the next series.